Hello and welcome to Katrina's Creations. This is Vlogmas Day 13. And today I actually had a brunch with some of my former co-workers. Unfortunately, 2 of them couldn't make it. So usually there's 5 of us. There's usually my former supervisor and the supervisor before her, and then the 2 Kathy and Cindy, who you have met before on another video. They were the ones I was on the bookmobile and the Storytime Express, which is our daycare van, with both of them, as well as the senior van I was on with Kathy and with Cindy as well. So anyway, and then there's me. So normally there's 5 of us, and we get together about every other month or so and have lunch together at one of our houses, and then catch up with all the kids and the grandkids and all that kind of stuff and have a good time. But 2 of them couldn't make it, so it was myself and Cindy and Kathy that were there. So I am going to insert some footage of the brunch and how it went, and then we'll come back and we will look at the fiber and the yarn for today. So I have some friends from, well, former co-workers coming for brunch today. So we have the table set here. I need to turn the little candles on yet, but we have the table set. So we're having some chicken roll-ups. I'll take you over here and show you what else. I have some croissants. This is a homemade recipe for tomato soup, and it has cream cheese in it. I just sampled it and it tasted okay, it just needs to warm up. And then I have a bunch of different teas here. So that's all set up for the tea. And then dessert is going to be gingerbread. This is my second attempt. My first attempt I actually burned and had to cut the crust off. It tasted okay, but I didn't want to serve that to anybody, so this is my second loaf. The other one went into the freezer after I cut off all the burnt parts. So then we also have down here, I have 2 quiches. This is a Canadian bacon and onion, and this is regular bacon and onion with cheddar cheese in both of them. So that's what we are going to be nibbling on for our brunch today. Yummy, yummy. Well, the food was all tasty. That is the after effects. I have a little bit of dishes to do, but the quiches were both really good, so we have that left over. The soup I didn't care for as much. The other, Cindy had like 2 bowls, and Kathy liked it, but Dave and I not so much. I thought it was a little acidic, so anyway, not gonna save that. And we have some of the chicken rolls left over too. So, and we have the gingerbread, which my second batch of gingerbread turned out really good. You can see we ate half of it there. So yeah, I'm gonna get started with the dishes. So here is the fiber for day 13. There are 2 packages in here. I can feel it. That is the lighthouse of the day. Kind of reminds me of a castle keep right there. So let's take a peek inside here. It's very Christmassy. It is 2 different shades of green. There you can see it, really pretty. So 2 shades of green. And now we will choose a mini skein. This one, it's a very muted color. There you can see it, it's very pastel-y. So there's some real light greens and yellows and purples in there. So yeah, that is the color of the day. It kind of reminds me of like something that's faded out, like a well-loved blanket. That's kind of what it reminds me of. So that is our video for today. Make sure you come back again tomorrow, and I will see you then. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.